So this is also my first time trying a quesadilla burger, and I got the chili cheese fries and then the nuggets. Hey you guys, so what's up? Today we're trying Cookout. This is my first time trying the quesadilla burger. I have the chili cheese fries and then I have the classic nuggets. But this is my first time trying a quesadilla burger. On a quesadilla burger, it's a cheeseburger, lettuce, quesadilla sauce, and onions. It's not grilled, it's raw. And I don't normally eat raw onions. Maybe I'm gonna take a few off. So I don't know about it. Sorry. Alright, so let's bite it. Let's taste it and see what it is giving us. It's good. Oh my god. The sauce is like spicy. The onions are crunchy. The burger is cooked well done. It just tastes so good. Alright. Let's try some of these chili cheese fries. These are my favorite. Hands down the bone. I get mine Cajun style. So it's Cajun seasoning, chili, cheese, and then I put ketchup on the top. Ketchup on the top. This burger's so spicy. Ten out of 10. Cookout, 10 out of 10.